All right, let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're going deep on something pretty captivating, I think. Cherry blossoms.
Yeah, or sakura in Japan.
Sakura, yeah. We've been digging through a bunch of sources, and we're going to try to pull out, like, the coolest stuff for you guys.
Exactly, like the really interesting and uh, culturally significant things about them.
Yeah. And you might think you know cherry blossoms, but we're going to find out.
I think you're going to learn something new, absolutely.
So to, like, really get into this, what are we actually talking about here? Like, I know we say cherry blossom, but what kind of trees?
Yeah, so we're talking about ornamental cherry trees,
Okay.
and they're part of the Prunus subgenus Ceresis. And now those are the ones that are grown for like their amazing flowers,
Mm-hmm.
not for the fruit, although some of them, do have fruit.
Right, right.
But the Japanese cherry that you often hear about, like in English, that refers to Prunus cirillata,
Okay.
which is a really famous one for its beautiful flowers.
Gotcha. So they're kind of like specialized trees, not your pick 'em at the orchard kind of thing.
Exactly, yeah. They're
Yeah.
for the beauty of it.
Okay, so let's like go straight to the heart of it. Like Japan.
Yeah.
Cherry blossoms seem like they're almost like a national symbol there.
They really are. They're the unofficial national flower of Japan,
Mm.
and they're a huge part of their culture.
Mm.
Like if you think about hanami,
Hana.
yeah, it's this custom of just like enjoying the beauty of the flowers.
So people just get together and like have picnics under the trees.
Yeah, and they have celebrations,
Yeah.
like a whole big thing.
Wow. That sounds amazing. But it's not just about, having a nice time under pretty trees, right? There's like a deeper meaning there too.
Yeah, you're right. There's a lot more to it. The thing about cherry blossoms is they don't last very long, which kind of reflects the Buddhist idea of impermanence.
Okay.
So it symbolizes like the beauty and how delicate life is.
Mhm.
And it's kind of a reminder that nothing lasts forever.
Right, right. It's like a visual metaphor for how quickly everything changes.
Exactly. And what's kind of cool is that hanami used to be something only the imperial court, like the elite, did.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but then it spread to the samurai, and eventually just everybody started doing it.
So it went from this exclusive thing to like a national tradition.
Exactly.
That's really cool. So, okay. Cherry blossoms. There are a lot of different kinds, right?
Oh, yeah, tons.
It's not just like one shade of pink like you see on like greeting cards or something.
No, not at all. Cherry trees, they kind of naturally just like to change up a bit. So people started cultivating all these different varieties called cultivars.
Okay.
Just to make them look different, all these different kinds of flowers.
So it's like people working with nature.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like some of the key species they use are Prunus speciosa, which is the Oshima cherry. It has really fragrant white flowers.
Hmm.
And Prunus itasakura.
What was that one?
Prunus itasakura. It's also called Prunus subvertella or Ito higan.
Okay.
It's known for its beautiful weeping branches. And of course, the Prunus cirillata we were talking about before,
Right?
they all have these special traits that make them perfect for creating new varieties.
Wow. So there's like a whole science to this.
Wow.
So when's the best time to, see all these amazing blossoms?
Where the blooming season, it's like a wave that travels across Japan.
Oh,
It starts down south in Okinawa, like around January.
okay.
Then it moves north, and by the beginning of April, it hits Kyoto and Tokyo.
Uh-huh.
But lately, they've been blooming a bit earlier.
Really?
Yeah, like end of March sometimes. Maybe something to do with the climate. Who knows?
So if you want to see them, better plan your trip carefully.
Right.
I was reading there are some that even bloom in winter.
Yeah, those are the Fuzakura. They're the winter cherry blossoms.
Fuzakura.
Yeah. They bloom between October and December. Kind of a sneak peek of spring, during the cold months.
That's so cool. Okay, so Japan is like the cherry blossom central, right? But they're pretty popular in other places too, aren't they?
Yeah, they're all over the world now. People plant them everywhere.
Like where?
Oh, like the Cherry Blossom Festival in Washington, D.C.?
Yeah, yeah.
That was a gift from Japan.
Yeah.
It's a symbol of friendship, between the two countries.
Wow. So nature can really bring people together.
Absolutely.
So before we wrap up, like, what are the key things to remember about cherry blossoms?
Well, they're ornamental, so it's all about their flowers, not really the fruit.
Okay.
And there are so many different types,
Oh.
all sorts of colors from white to pink,
Hmm.
different shapes, single petals, double petals.
Right, right.
And of course, they're super temporary.
Yeah.
They only bloom for like a week or so.
Which I guess ties back to that whole, fleeting beauty, life is short kind of thing.
Exactly. That's a huge part of their meaning, especially in Japan. But it goes beyond that, too. It's about beauty, about how quickly things change and about the hope that comes with spring, that sense of renewal.
Renewal, yeah.
And that makes me wonder, you know, what about other cultures? How do they celebrate those special moments in nature? Like, what do those moments mean to them? That's a pretty cool thing to think about.
That is a great question. And on that note, we're going to have to leave it there.
Yeah, we are out of time.
So much more to explore, but until next time,
Keep on diving.
we'll see you later.